kindly stand and may I request on Ms. Sugala to lead the prayer?
Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How was your weekend?
It's good, ma'am.
Oh, that's good to hear. Is there any absentee? Class Beadle, kindly check the attendance.
Ma'am, it's a perfect attendance.
Oh, very good. Seems like you are ready for a new topic. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, before we proceed to our discussion, I will play here a short video and I want you to observe carefully because after that, I will ask you a question. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class. What have you observed in the video? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Okay, Mary?
I observed that the people in the video are talking and they're using words like those, these, my, and yours.
Very good. And you are right that the person talking in the video are using words those, these, my, and yours. And in that video, do you have any idea what was our topic for today?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, to learn more, let us now proceed to our new topic today. In this lesson, we will be dealing with this following objective. First is that we will be able to identify the types of pronouns. The second is that we will be able to explain its definition and its importance. In the video, the people that are talking is using words those, these, my, and yours. And these words are called pronouns. So, our topic for today is all about pronouns. So, what is pronouns? Can you all read?
It is a part of speech used as substitute of a noun in a sentence. And it is important to avoid repeating the nouns over and over again.
Okay, a pronouns is part of speech that is used as a substitute of a noun in a sentences. And this is also very important to avoid repeating the noun over and over again. So, example, this is Jane. She lives in New York. The word she is the pronoun of that sentence because the word she is referring to the subject, which is Jane. And Jane is a girl, that's why we use the pronoun she. Let's move on to the type of pronouns. And there are 5 types of pronouns. First one is what we call the personal pronouns. It is used to replace a person's name or thing in a sentence. And the personal pronouns could be the subjective and objective of a sentence. Subjective in the way that it tells us who or what the sentence is all about, and objective in the way that it receives the action in a sentence. Example in a subjective form. I am making a phone call. So I is the subject of that sentence. She is drinking a cup of tea. She is the subject. And in an objective form, example is that Jane is pointing at me. So me is the receiver of that sentence. Another one is that I saw you last night in a public. The second one is the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are words that use or shows ownership of a noun in a sentence. Example, my flight is delayed. So my there is the possessive pronouns. Other example is that remember that not to judge the book by its cover. The third one is the indefinite pronouns. These are the pronouns that refers to unspecified person, place, things, or idea. Example, everybody are invited in the gathering. So the word everybody is the indefinite pronouns. The second is that nobody knows behind the story. The word nobody is the indefinite pronouns. The fourth one is the demonstrative pronouns. It is a pronouns that used to point something specific within a sentence. In these pronouns, depending on the distance of an object. Example, if I have here a flower, I could say that I love this flower. Then, if I had more than one flowers, I could say that I love these flowers. Then, if the flower is far away from me, I could say that I love those flowers. Then, if it is in a singular form, I can say that I love that flower. The last one is the interrogative pronouns. These words are used in posing a question. So the example of that is that, who wrote a letter? Which the word who is the interrogative pronouns. And whom did Bianca write her letter? And the interrogative pronouns there is the word who. And those are the types of pronouns. And to sum up everything I said earlier, a pronoun is a word that is used to substitute a noun in a sentences. And there are 5 types of pronouns, such as personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Okay, class, is there any question?
None so far, ma'am.
Okay, so let's have our review. Who can tell me what is pronouns and its type? Anyone? Yes, Jane?
A pronoun is a word that is used to substitute a noun in a sentence. And the types of it is the possessive pronouns, personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns.
Very good. Seems like you understand all what is our topic for today. Now, for our assignment, just research about adjectives and ready for our oral recitation next meeting. That's all for today. Goodbye and keep safe, everyone.